We did it! Our unique method of adapting English learning to your elemental personality has just won first place in education at an international competition in London. We're happy to unbox the official award certificate and winner's trophy that just arrived straight from the UK. This method isn't just theory, it's now award-winning. Whether you're a fiery, fast learner or a calm, deep-thinking water type, this approach makes learning English feel natural, easy, and fun. Find your element. Learn your way. Stay tuned. This is just the beginning.
Lingportal Online School presents.
Say goodbye to boring lessons. Learn English by your personality. Have you ever tried to learn English and felt like something just didn't click? Have you ever wondered why some ways of learning English work for you, but others don't? Why some lessons make you excited and help you improve, but others feel boring and don't help? The answer is often deeper than just motivation or habit. It is about your nature. A long time ago in ancient China, people believed that we are made from special natural forces called the elements. And even now, people still have natural elements in their personality. Today, we'll discover how to learn English as a person of fire, water, earth, or metal personality, as a way to understand your own learning style. These elements are not just about nature, they are the key to how we understand things and learn. Learning English without knowing your element is like trying to grow a plant without knowing the soil. Let's find out. The 4 elements. Fire. While I describe 4 natural elements, try to discover them within yourself or your friends. Fire. Energy, passion, action, leadership. The students of the fire type are full of energy and emotions. They start new things with excitement, like a flame, but can lose interest quickly if it gets boring. This type of student likes to be the centre of attention, sharing feelings and inspiring others. Look at the example of a fire person. Captain Jack Sparrow. Eccentric, bold, acts on inspiration, loves taking risks. Have you recognised a fire person among your friends? How should a fire student learn English? Fire personalities need energy, emotion, and variety. One day it's an exciting TV show, the next a speaking club, then maybe a fun English game or a challenge. Fire learners thrive on movement, change, and passion. They get bored easily if things stay the same. Tips for fire personalities. Switch up your learning style often. Don't stick to one method for too long. Look for real conversations and emotional topics. Fire needs human connection. Use humour, games, and competitive challenges. Make it fun and fast-paced. Keep your excitement alive. Choose materials that inspire or entertain you. Learning for fire equals movement plus emotion plus fun. Water. Calm, deep, and thoughtful. Water students are calm, thoughtful, and smooth, like water. They feel things internally. They do not hurry, but study at their own pace and love learning in quiet, calm environments, so they understand any topic deeply. Elsa from Frozen is an example of the water element. She is emotional, withdrawn, and driven by internal experiences. Do you know someone with a water personality? How should a water student learn English? Water personalities are sensitive, emotional, and intuitive. They learn best when they feel connected to the content. One day it's a romantic song, the next, writing in a journal, and then a heartwarming film. Water needs flow and feeling to stay motivated. Tips for water personalities. Choose emotional content, songs, films, or stories that touch your heart. Write about your thoughts and feelings in a diary or blog. Create a calm, cosy learning space. Make English feel safe and personal. Use visual tools like mind maps to organise thoughts in a soft, intuitive way. Learning for water equals connection plus creativity plus calm. Let it flow naturally, not through pressure, but through feeling. Earth. Steady, practical, and well organised. Earth students are steady and practical. They like order and plans and prefer to learn step by step, using books, tables, and schedules. They are people you can always rely on. They will never let you down. I am sure that all of you are happy to have an Earth person as your friend. Hermione Granger from Harry Potter is a good example of an Earth personality. Smart, structured, organised, does everything by the rules. How should an Earth student learn English? Earth personalities are practical, organised, and steady. They like to build strong foundations. One day it's mastering grammar rules, then making vocabulary lists, then reviewing with flashcards. Earth needs structure, repetition, and clarity to feel secure. Tips for Earth personalities. Follow a clear learning plan. Regular, step-by-step progress works best. Use textbooks, lists, and reliable materials. Avoid chaos or random tasks. Repeat and review regularly. Earth learns by building solid habits. Track your progress. Checklists and goals help you stay motivated. Learning for Earth equals structure plus logic plus routine. Stick to the path and you'll go far. And the final element is metal, logical, disciplined and precise. Metal students are logical and disciplined. They plan carefully, love rules and system, study grammar deeply, and monitor their progress. Professor Severus Snape from Harry Potter is the best example of a metal personality. Reserved, principled, deeply internal, strict with himself and others. He does not show emotions and acts according to an internal code, a real metal character. How should a metal student learn English? Metal personalities are disciplined, focused, and perfectionist. They respect quality and control. One day it's working on perfect pronunciation, then correcting every grammar mistake, then analysing formal writing. Metal needs order, precision, and excellence to feel in control. Tips for metal personalities. Set high standards and work steadily towards them. Practice writing with accuracy, essays, formal emails, or reports. Focus on pronunciation and grammar. Aim for precision. Balance work with small rewards. Don't be too hard on yourself. Learning for metal equals discipline plus detail plus purpose. Sharpen your skills like a blade, with focus and pride. What's your learning personality? The most important thing is not to fight your nature, but to use it as your superpower. To help you find your element and the best way to learn, I've made a simple test to help you discover your personality. Take a pen and notebook, answer the questions, and find out your type. Test. What's your learning personality? Take the test to find out. Grab a pen and notebook. Choose only one answer for each question that feels most true for you, and write down the letter A, B, C, or D. 1. How do you prefer to learn? Two. What feels closest to your personality? 3. What kills your motivation the fastest? 4. What helps you learn best? 5. How do you feel about rules? 6. How do you respond to failure? 7. Which learning style do you prefer? 8. What is language to you? 'Now that you know your element, or maybe a mix of two, you've discovered something important. Learning English doesn't have to be a struggle. When you learn in your own way, it becomes exciting, natural, and even joyful. See you next time on our Lingportal, where learning English meets your true nature.